Hello there, and welcome to a quick demonstration on using RTrader for evaluations to set yourself some of your own loss limits. When you're on your main page, in this case when using LEELOO, on the trader dashboard, find your account that you want to set the limits on. You can right click, view the risk parameters. Once in this page, go to risk manners set by the trader. Set your criteria. In this case, I can put in for a loss limit. Our threshold became, let's put in for 500. Liquidating to yes. If you want to set a time for when you'd like all your trades to finish, say 30 minutes before the cash close, it could be helpful for you as well. You can also set up similar times for each individual product. If, say, for example, we wanted to have it so that any ES trade could auto liquidate date at 15:30 my time. If I didn't want to allow any sort of trading from a certain period of time, say 5 a.m. till about 6 a.m. Once you have all the settings you would like, click apply and then OK. This will make it so that when I fall below the 500 data loss limit I set for myself, it will allow you to no longer place any trades until the following day. The day gets counted based on when the product resets, which is usually 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time or 1800. Thank you for viewing this small tutorial. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe for any future videos. Have a good day.